All around us, commercial companies, the ones we love to do business with, are changing, improving, making it easier for us to do business with them on our terms, with the devices and the mobile phones and smart pads that we all use at any time. And so because our personal experience is becoming better, easier, more convenient, and personalized, we expect the same from the government. And yet, it's very difficult for the public sector to keep pace with that amount of change. Trust in government globally has been on the decline. But we know that one way to turn that around is to deliver the tools for employees to do their best work and to treat the citizens and stakeholders that they serve as customers. Engagement is becoming ever more important, both employee engagement and customer engagement. At the USDA, the U.S. Department of Agriculture, they're doing both. Under Secretary Perdue, the department has standardized on approaching all of their customers in a single fashion. In the past, different programs had different ways of doing business, whether it was crop loans, conservation regulation, information about herbicides and pesticides. They had different programs in different offices, and the same customer, using all those different services, had to get them in different ways, different places, different teams. They've rolled out Farmersgov, a single portal for the over 2 million farmers, ranchers, and producers in the U.S. to get access to all those services, programs, and benefits in one place. That speeds up engagement, and it has a real impact on the farmer. That kind of service and transparency, personalization, and ease of use is really the standard for engagement. We've also seen another example of great employee engagement at the UK Driver and Vehicle Licensing Agency. The DVLA is like the DMV, the Department of Motor Vehicles in the US. They issue all vehicle licenses and driver's licenses for the whole country. They've standardized on Salesforce to manage their contact center and allow the citizens of the UK to renew those registrations by social media, web chat, email, or phone. Again, it's intuitive, it's convenient and personalized, and in doing so, their employees have the tools they need to do their job well. Their employee engagement has risen by 11 points to 73%, and their customer satisfaction is well over 90%. So you can see that the two go together. Employee engagement, giving employees the tools to do their job, removing the barriers, making it easier for them to deliver great service, translates into great customer engagement and customer satisfaction. Trailblazers are important everywhere, but especially in the public sector, because change is hard. We're talking about programs that have been in place for decades, and it's difficult to make change under the best of circumstances, with complex regulations, challenging procurements, organizations that have set ways of doing things that are difficult to overcome. And so you really have to have a trailblazer mentality to make a difference. Today, the technology is almost the easy part of the equation. It really is the human element that remains the most vital for lasting positive change. And so what we've seen as best practices are really to take an agile approach, to start small, to experiment, to launch a new initiative, and let it scale rapidly as you see what's working. That agile approach, that customer-first method, really lets you see firsthand how to make progress and how to make change. And as we think about the federal workforce, it's a pretty senior bunch. There's a significant percentage of federal employees who are eligible for retirement or will be soon. And that means as we think about the next generation of talent, we've got to compete for that talent. The general unemployment is at a low point these days. And so being able to entice people into federal service with not only a great mission and the opportunity to make a difference, but the right tools to get their job done. The ability to come to work and make a difference because your tools are not holding you back, they're helping you forward. It's this kind of combination of people, process, and technology that really leads to positive and lasting change.